Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this clear travel brush makeup holder. This is such a nice little case. Because it's transparent on both sides, you can see all of your brushes. It has this nice PU leather on the outside, and then this really nice little zipper that just glides right open really well. Love the little gold detail of it and the stitching that goes around the edge of this leather. I'm gonna bring you in here close. I've got all my makeup brushes sitting here. We're gonna put them in here and take a good look. So here's the case up close. You can see the detail of the nice stitching right there. And then your zipper that just closes right up. And here are all my makeup brushes. So the size of this is 7.7, 1.57 deep, and then 2.8 inches across. All of my makeup brushes fit in there really well. They're not coming out. So then if you are traveling, all your brushes are contained in one area. Now it is waterproof as well. So if you did happen to spill on it or anything, you're not going to get your brush bristles all wet or goopy with anything in there. I really like how compact this is, keeps everything together, and that you can see that something's in there. So that way when you are packing up, you know what you got in there.